And how about our plie? Our piqué? Good. How about our passe? Our sauté? Sauté. Our échappé? Yeah, we can do échappé. Yeah, sure. Our pas de chat? Yes, Sasha. Our pas de chat with our mise à pas. Good. And our beautiful arabesque? Yes. And our curtsy? Beautiful. All right, so ballerinas, are we ready to do our dance? Are we ready to show it? Yes? Okay. All right, here it comes, the nutcracker. All right, let's start in our first position. Hands on our hips. Good. All right, let me see if I can try and find the music. Is this our music? Is this it? Are you sure? No, that's not it? No. What about this one? Is this your music? Is that it? Is that your music? No, that's not your music. All right, good ears. All right, here we go. I think I got it this time. That's it? Oh, good.